Grup Eina, for and because of the vehicle workshop, it's in our DNA. We create a value chain for our customers who are manufacturers, distributors, or workshop networks. We are their competitive advantage, their loyalty strategy. How do we do this? By assisting the workshop, becoming their partner, putting our technical experts at their disposal. With our own brand or that of our customers, we provide workshops with technical services that become indispensable tools for their day-to-day operations. Let's have a look how. There are more than 50 experts with extensive workshop experience, advising workshops on advanced diagnostics and breakdown repairs, and providing them with a blend of technical information, either online and/or by phone. In addition, we analyze all of the information generated during the assessment, because the workshop's experience is fundamental to us. From here, EinaVTS, our technical bulletins database with fault codes, symptoms, causes and possible solutions with illustrative images. When our technicians detect a frequent or very complex or unusual breakdown, they notify the EinaVTS team, who analyze and verify all the information generated by the technician and the workshop, and create a very useful and structured technical bulletin which enables a more efficient breakdown diagnostic and repair process. What happens when the electronic control unit breaks down? EinaTech is our team, specializing in the cloning, repair and rental of electronic control units. When an electronic unit may be the cause of a fault or breakdown, the technician forwards the case to EinaTech, saving time and money for the workshop. Is it really a control unit fault? We send them a clone of the original ECU, and if it works, they can buy it for a competitive price. EinaTech repairs the faulty unit, and EinaVTS creates a technical bulletin about the fault. When it's not, the workshop sends the unit back and pays for its rental, and EinaTech forwards the case to our technical advisors, so they can proceed with the diagnostic assistance. As you can see, to analyze, verify, structure, and communicate all the information which is generated is key to the workshop and to our technical advisors, but also for our training team. With all this information and taking into consideration the technological breakthroughs and the sector trends, the coordinators decide which training topics and cars will be used on each course. Mechanical, electronic, electrical, bodywork, vehicle-specific training with new technologies, sales and management, or even tailor-made training, but always training based on workshop's real experience and practice. We simulate real-life breakdowns on our training cars so that our students can learn how to carry out diagnostics and repairs. After the training, students can continue learning online on our Campus Eina site. With more than 60 courses in many languages, lots of tutorials, graphics and animations, skills and self-evaluation tests, and much more. Because the internet is vital, and mygarageweb.com allows workshops to customize and to manage their website in an intuitive way, to link it to social media networks, and to register at mygaragefinder.com so that customers can find it easily. And because in Grup Eina not only do we make the workshop's daily life much easier, we also support their future.